Hey YouTube, how's it going? Today is day 4. We are doing more racing. I've seen a pretty good improvement on the drone courses. Alright, so I'm gonna race one of my favorite races, which is this SD Magoo landscape surfer. This is what I think about when I do the type of freestyling, cine whooping I'd like to do. Fail. Restart. I don't think this drone likes going at 35 degrees, but I think I did better yesterday. Oh, look at the angle from yesterday. Ooh, pull up. I got my 2 races that I wanted to improve on, so this is just extra. Like I said, I shaved at least a couple minutes already off. Woo! My gosh! Warp speed, Captain! Alright, how did I do? 4th. Ooh, better. Okay, so I just finished the SD Magoo course. One of my favorite ones. Kind of going down cliffs and taking steep turns. Personal best today, improved myself by at least 30 seconds. I'm at 4 minutes 31, and I'm number 2 on the leaderboard, which is really funny. I'm just gonna keep sticking to the cine whoop. I really like the controllability, and I may be limiting myself on like what I can do, but good to learn the basics and just keep chugging forward. Alright guys, so I just finished the race for noobs, and I've improved a few seconds. Now I'm under 2 minutes, which is great. All that practice is helping out a lot as far as controllability and whatnot. And then I did swoop modded GP. I'm 7 minutes 44 seconds, which is a minute better than yesterday. Still lots of crashes. That's super challenging. Took some tips from Maionhigh Lexi, how to get through these, so learned a lot, and trying to apply what I learned from the other YouTubers who are professional racers. Yeah, I think I'm done for today. Did several races. Today I really tried to work on making tighter turns, following the red lines as much as possible, that guidelines. Definitely these longer ones, it's much easier for newbies like myself to learn on. This is just the right mix of curves and dives. I think if you're looking for goals as far as getting better, you should do one really technical course where it's really a lot of turns and short bursts, knowing that you can handle the speed and the turns and whatnot. And there should be another one that you can kind of relax but still haul butt. And I think these 2 are really good starters. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.